Good afternoon, dear students. Let's continue the fifth chapter. Various kinds of windows. I forgot to teach you a topic in the last class. Let's see. Open GeoGebra from application Education. GeoGebra window opened. Maximize the window. By marking a tick mark in the view menu of GeoGebra window, we can include perspectives such as algebra view, graphics view, 3D graphics view, spreadsheet view, CAS view according to our wish. When we click on each view, the respective tools will be displayed. We have learned how to draw circles of a given size in the 8th standard. What should be done to adjust the size and shape of a geometrical figure? We can use the slider tool in GeoGebra for this. Slider is a tool in GeoGebra that is used to control the value of a variable that indicates a number or a measurement of an angle. Let's draw a circle that can be adjusted using slider. Suppose we wish to construct a circle of which the radius can be adjusted from 1 to 5. First of all, we have to construct a slider for this. Select the slider tool and click on the window. Slider window appeared. It is the radius of the circle that has to be adjusted. For this, the number slider has to be selected. Students, notice the name of this slider. We can change the name of the slider as per our wish. We do not change the name of the slider. Here, A is the name of the slider. Provide values minimum as 1 and maximum as 5 and click on OK button. The slider is appeared on the window. Select the circle with center and radius tool and click on the window. Circle, center and radius window appeared. In the window where we have to provide the value of the radius, provide the name of the slider we have already constructed. Move the slider using Move tool. We can observe that the radius of the circle changes according to the value of the slider. Try to give animation to the slider. What should be done to see the circles for each value of the slider at the same time? Right click on the slider and select Animation On button. Now the animation starts. To stop animation, just click on the slider or right click on the slider and select Animation On. We cannot give animation to all objects. Animation can be given to objects that move in a fixed path. For example, a point on a circle or a line. If a slider is given animation, the objects that are controlled by it also get animation. To save this file, click on File menu, Save option. Save dialog box appears. Open the destination folder and type a file name, then click on Save button. More software for learning mathematics. There are many software which come under the group of software like Interactive Geometry Software or IGS and Dynamic Geometry Environment or DGE. Geometric Supposer, which was formed in the 1980s, was the first of this kind. Drawing Geometry or DrawGeo. K Interactive Geometry or KIG. Car Metal, etc. are free software, whereas Cabri Geometry, Cinderella, etc. are proprietary software. This chapter will continue in the next class.